Today I wanted to take a quick look at this beautiful 1934 Ford Coupe that has been completely customised and restored for presentation at the Australian Street Rod 2024 National Show that will have just passed by the time this video is published. This car is a 3-window chopped coupe sitting on a Lewis chassis, and absolutely no expense has been spared with this vehicle. I'm told roughly $250,000 has been thrown into this build, and every inch of this car has either been completely customised to suit or restored. From the custom leather interior that is so fresh and plush to be in, to the undercarriage that boasts incredible custom mechanical work and perfect fitment, all the way to the exterior, which we at MADinc had the pleasure of finishing off, polishing and ceramic coating the paint and applying XPEL paint protection film to these vulnerable sills here. The film is self-healing and will certainly help to protect against any scuffs that are fairly likely to happen with how wide these are. The engine powering this Ford is a 454 cubic inch supercharged big block V8. In regular speak, that is a 7.4 litre displacement. The supercharged motor produces 1,000 horsepower, and the car as a whole has only just been completed. The gauge cluster hasn't yet been calibrated, and I'm told the owner has not even driven it on the road yet. The owner collects it later this afternoon for what will be one of only a handful of engine startups it's had, and later in the week it will go over the pits for inspection and registration. If you'd like to see more of the car, check out the event photos and content from the Australian Street Rod 2024 Nationals. And if you'd like to learn more about the detailing, restoration work, ceramic coatings or PPF we do here at MADinc, feel free to visit our website or check out any of our other videos here on our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.